Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at the Can-Am rear view mirror camera and monitor. Wanted to unbox this baby and show you a little bit about what it's about. Now, when we became a Can-Am dealer, I was flipping through the accessory catalog and came across this product, and I was excited about this one. Here at Big Pine, we're always looking for the cool new gadgets and things to help your side-by-side experience be even better. The rear view camera and monitor installs in the stock central mirror location, has two input channels that allow you to view two different feeds. Only one camera is included. Now, we will be installing these soon, and we're definitely going to be doing some front-facing cameras. We'll let you know what camera we decided to go with and how that process works. The rear camera is equipped with infrared lights to see in complete darkness. The screen is integrated directly into the rear view mirror. Can be used as a regular rear view mirror when the screen is not activated. Can show continuous feed to get better visibility of a blind spot, or be activated when needed. That'll be super cool for you guys down in Moab, having that forward-facing camera, seeing over an edge or seeing what's coming up in front of you. Packaged up really nice. Got some install instructions. There is the rear view itself. Very nice, good size. Quality feels really nice. Again, we've never installed one of these, so I don't know exactly what the quality's like, but we'll get to it. That'll be in a separate video. Looks like here is the rear view camera. You can see those LED lights to illuminate the area behind you for that infrared nighttime visibility. And it looks like we've got some mounting straps, 3M on the back, help you route your wiring, some bolts. Looks like plenty of wire to get even from a four-seater up to the back of a four-seater up to the front where the rear view is going to be. Looks like your leads for your power and ground and your signal wire. Super easy there. Comes with a bunch of zip ties. Got some nuts, some more signal wire of some sort. That'll be the camera feed. Your rear view mount, some zip ties, and some more bolts. So we'll get one of these installed on a machine, do a full walk around once it's installed, let you know what that process looked like, how time consuming the install was, and let you know what the quality is. So far, looks like a pretty sweet product from Can-Am. We're excited to be partnered up with Can-Am and have new products for you guys. Part number will get posted up in the description below. Have a great day, everybody. 435-427-3338. You can check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com.